Tangy orange.
Welcome to the lively world of farm animals, where each creature brings its own unique charm. Let's meet some of the pairs of mothers and their young ones. C-A-M-E-L Camel. C-A-L-F Calf. A camel's baby is called a calf. C-A-T Cat. K-I-T-T-E-N Kitten. A cat's baby is called a kitten. C-O-W Cow. C-A-L-F Calf. A cow's baby is called a calf. D-O-G Dog. P-U-P-P-Y Puppy. Dog's baby is called a puppy. D-O-N-K-E-Y Donkey. F-O-A-L Foal. A donkey's baby is called a foal. D-U-C-K Duck. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G Duckling. A duck's baby is called a duckling. G-O-A-T Goat. K-I-D Kid. A goat's baby is called a kid. H-E-N Hen. C-H-I-C-K Chick. A hen's baby is called a chick. H-O-N-E-Y B-E-E Honeybee. L-A-R-V-A-E Larvae. A honeybee's baby is called a larvae. H-O-R-S-E Horse. F-O-A-L Foal. A horse baby is called a foal. P-A-R-R-O-T Parrot. C-H-I-C-K Chick. A parrot's baby is called a chick. P-I-G Pig. P-I-G-L-E-T Piglet. A pig's baby is called a piglet. R-A-B-B-I-T Rabbit. K-I-T-T-E-N Kitten. A rabbit's baby is called a kitten. S-H-E-E-P Sheep. L-A-M-B Lamb. A sheep's baby is called a lamb. T-U-R-K-E-Y Turkey. C-H-I-C-K Chick. A turkey's baby is called a chick.
Like, share and subscribe. For more update, press the bell icon.